The PowerArc 140ST TIG Welder is designed with portability in mind, making it an excellent choice for both hobbyists and professionals who need to move their equipment frequently. This welder offers versatile functionality with both IGBT stick and lift-start TIG welding capabilities, providing flexibility for a wide range of welding tasks. Its dual voltage design allows it to operate on either 110 or 220 volts, ensuring it can be used almost anywhere with a stable power source. The welder is equipped with auto-adaptive hot start and arc force control, promoting a smooth and stable welding process even with difficult electrodes. Users will find it easy to set up and operate as it comes with essential components like a stick torch, gas valve TIG torch, cables, DINS connectors, and a work clamp. Manufactured by Everlast, the PowerArc 140STI model stands out for its compact size and reliability, making it a favored tool in the TIG welding equipment category.